What's up, everybody? It's FM Stiffy, and today my Ducky 1-2 Mini keyboard is here. So I got a PC, and of course I need a keyboard and mouse. My keyboard's here, so we're gonna get it open today. It's actually really heavy. Look at this packaging. It looks so cool on the front. Cherry MX silver speed switches it has. DuckyChannel.com on the side over here. So yeah, let's get this open. Alright, here we go. So we got this dust cover right off the bat. Put that over there. And so here's the keyboard. I can get it out. We're gonna open this in 1 second because, as you know, here's some stuff over here. There's some really cool parts in here. Of course, the cable, Ducky cable, the extra keys, which is awesome. You can remove some keys and put the extra ones that you like on, which I'm gonna do. The keycap remover and the cool. What spacebar is this? It looks like a new one. I know the other one was like a pig. This is, I don't know, it's like a skateboard. It looks awesome. I love this. It's like a mouse on a skateboard, or bunny on a skateboard. It's awesome. So this is definitely gonna go on there. And yeah, so here's the box. I'm gonna keep it because it looks so cool. Just put it back up. I'll put that to the side. Alright, so here's the big reveal of the keyboard. Ta-da-da! So here's the Ducky 1-2 Mini. Here's the back. It's all white. It has these stands that you can choose how high you want it, which is a really nice feature. Now, this has so many different color changing lights. I don't have my PC yet, so I'm not gonna, I mean, I could plug it in right now. Yeah, I'll plug it in right now, actually. I'm just gonna plug it into my Chromebook because I don't have my PC yet, so I obviously can't plug it into that. But unwrap this nice cable. 1 second. If this cable wants to come out. Okay, well, we'll just keep it in there because it's not budging right now. Okay. So here's the plugs. Nice gold plug. Plug it in here. Plug this in over here. I'm not sure how you change the keys. Where's the function key? Like the fall camera. Okay. I'm not sure you change the colors. Okay, we'll figure that out later. So, yeah, there's so many, there's like hundreds of different colors that you can make it. And you can go check out all the colors in a different video because we'll be here all day picking those colors. So here's all the extra keycaps they give you. They give you a random color. I got this blue type color, which is a really cool color. So here's like the little Ducky logo as well. I'm gonna put that one over here on the escape bar. Super easy to remove the keys. So as you can see, there's the silver switches, Cherry MX silvers. And then, since you walk with WASD, I'm gonna make WASD my, I'm gonna replace those with the arrow keys, just for fun. I gotta find out which one is which. This Just walk forward. Okay, there we go. We got where's that remover? Here it is. This one. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest later. Now, the last thing, I just wanna do a sound check for the switches and see how they sound. So, here we go. So there you go, my Ducky 1-2 Mini, blacked out, sounds great, speed silver switches. Yeah, stay tuned so you can see me game with this. Peace out.